This is a closet that will become my second kitchen and laundry area. I ordered it from a site called Mondo Convenienza. It's in Italian, but you can translate it on your phone like this or on your computer. I selected kitchens, then selected fixed kitchen because they're lower cost and in stock. I could have selected one without the full refrigerator or a separate refrigerator, but I wanted my unit to have one sleek look. This kitchen's mainly for the downstairs to get drinks and make simple, easy meals, and without needing to go upstairs. It's more convenient for older relatives, and as I get older, I'll probably move to the downstairs. When I purchased it, there was a 10% off sale, but now it's 20% off. They're always having a sale, so keep an eye out. The Athena fixed model is what I chose. I had a video call in English where I gave her the measurements and she laid out the kitchen on the screen. She sent several diagrams and installation instructions. I selected one of the standard sizes. Mine is 270 centimeters long. When they were installing, I made sure to tape the diagrams to the wall, and you can see one of them on the sink with blue tape so that there were less questions to ask me about on where I wanted things. The end has room for mops and brooms, and the recycle has separate trash bins. Trash is a whole nother video. I think I'm going to add upper cabinet over the dryer to store laundry soap and cleaning products. Right now, they're under the sink. I didn't want or need an oven in this space, but it was cheaper to get the fixed package than just a stovetop, so I got the package. The oven is electric and the stove is gas. There is a gas tank under the sink that locals tell me they change their tanks about every 2 months with regular everyday use, and that is delivered to you. The back wall was supposed to be painted before installation, but I didn't want them to do it after because I was afraid of them making a mess and it taking longer when we had limited time there already on that trip. And I'm thinking of adding some cool Italian tiles for some character, but I don't know. What do you think about that? Now, this is just for drinks, leftovers, basic staples, and yes, I do have a separate washer and dryer. I know they have combo units, but I feel like that has a more of opportunity to have something go wrong or break. I do hang my clothes dry like Italians do, but I wanted a dryer for the wintertime and when I wanted like fluffy, cozy towels. Electric was extended to the refrigerator with a conduit behind the lower cabinets. There's also one directly under the uppers for an appliance outlet. The wood cutting board I purchased at IKEA and it fit perfectly. Now the prices. My contractor picked up and installed mine. I bought it for €9.39, but with today's price at $8.55, $119 for 14% delivery and installation fee, $150 for appliance hookup, $199 for water hookup, is a total of $13.23, including tax. I chose to have my contractor do it because he had to add electric, and in case there was an issue with the connections, the company is coming from Palermo, and if everything didn't go smoothly, I was afraid they would rush the job since they have an hour and a half drive back, and I try to troubleshoot as best I can before any type of construction because it's challenging enough. I did purchase the main kitchen from the same company other than the large refrigerator. That was separate because they didn't carry the size I wanted. It took 6 weeks to process that non-fixed kitchen. You can see that post on my home in Sicily playlist. There is also one showing the kitchen and another for the cost.